It smells delicious in here.
We're just hitting our stride.
You don't have far to go. Tell the people Mama told you so.
Why not actually get wet back here?
That's what we need.
They all come to the party to play. Oh, let's explore. Where did our friends go? We have to find them.
decorations you found really bring the heat. Have I get you back to size? But invite your little friends to tag along too. You'll get there in no time. Guaranteed.
Not exciting anymore. 2 times. Tianas sure knows how to make a party special. It's feeling up with